We'll now begin section 1. Earlier we had the toss and Duhaney Park Primary 1 and decided to send Meadowbrook Prep in first. In section 1, both teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds in which to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the Guardian Achiever clock and begin with Meadowbrook Prep in Bible knowledge. Which Bible character declared that the Lord would provide a sacrifice instead of his son?
Abraham.
That's correct. Duhaney Park Bible knowledge. Which of Samuel's parents gave him a coat every year when he lived in the temple?
Which one?
John.
What? Say something.
Question passes to Meadowbrook. Want to try?
Yes. Yes, Miss. Joseph.
That's incorrect. It's his mother. Meadowbrook Science, complete this statement correctly. The modified leaves which protect a developing flower bud are called the
Tester.
That's incorrect. It's the sepals. Duhaney Park's time now. Science, complete this statement correctly. The pistil of a flower is made up of the ovary, style, and
Stigma.
That is correct. Meadowbrook International Affairs team, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Panama.
That's right. Duhaney Park International Affairs, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Costa Rica.
That is correct. Meadowbrook English language. Spell critique.
Critique.
That is correct. Duhaney Park English language. Spell catalyst. Time's up. Meadowbrook, want to try?
No.
It's catalyst. C-A-T-A-L-Y-S-T. Meadowbrook Television, another visual. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Don't answer. I don't know.
Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez.
That's incorrect. It's Brenda Song. Duhaney Park Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jendo.
She's Alexa Penavega. That's incorrect. Meadowbrook General Knowledge. What's the official language of Angola?
French.
That's incorrect. It's Portuguese. Duhaney Park General Knowledge. What's the official language of Gabon?
Spanish.
That's incorrect. It's French. Meadowbrook Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Who is she?
Justice Shelley-Ann.
Shelley-Ann Fraser Price.
That's incorrect. It's Jamaican Olympian Rochelle Clayton. Duhaney Park Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Hands of parchment.
Incorrect. That's Jamaican Olympian Roisin MacDonald. Meadowbrook Social Studies. Sir Eric Gairy is a former Prime Minister of which Caribbean country?
Dominica.
That's incorrect. It's Grenada. Duhaney Park Social Studies. Sir Grantley Adams is a national hero in which Caribbean country? Cuba is incorrect. The correct answer is Barbados. And that bell signifies the end of section 1. The scores are Meadowbrook Prep on 3 points and Duhaney Park Primary on 2. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our children from Guardian Achiever.